Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. It's been about a week now. I had to order some more clear coat because I ran all the activator. But we're all ready to go. I got it all taped off. And today we're going to try to blend this panel in. I don't know if you watched the other video or not, but I burnt through the clear coat here and here. Well, one of my buddies said that I'm going to go spraying color on it to make it all match. Since the clear coat's no longer there, that the reducer can get down in between the clear coat and the color and cause wrinkles. So he told me to be careful, not to put a bunch on at a time. So I think what I'm gonna do first is go ahead and spray this panel with clear coat, seal it all back off. Then I'll mist some color over that area and kind of blend it out. Hopefully it turns out okay. I don't know, I might just end up totally ruining it all, I don't know. But I guess I'm gonna give her a shot. I did wipe it all down with some prep all and then took a pack cloth over it all. So it should be ready to go. I just misted it over. I'm gonna let that pack up for a few seconds. I don't want no runs in it, so I'll let that flash a little bit, and then I'll put a little bit better coat on it. So I don't want it dry either. All right, so we got one coat of clear all over everything, and I already see some trash in it. It's white. It kind of makes me mad. But here's some spots. Well, it's not really picking up in the video. Let me go grab my flashlight. Alright, so I got my flashlight and I can barely see it in person. So okay, right there. Well, I had it. It's right there. And then there's one more spot right there. If I didn't spend so much time and money on this paint job, I would just leave it alone. But I'm gonna know they're there. It's gonna drive me crazy. And it's all ready to be sprayed again, so I'm gonna throw a little color on it. Hopefully it don't make it worse than what it is. There's so much flake in this. Well, I'm gonna let that flash up a little bit, and then we'll mist some color over it. Alright guys, well, I think the clear might be good enough, so we're gonna go ahead and spray some color on it. It mixes 1-to-1, so I'm going to have to mix up 4 ounces. A little overkill, but I got some walkers over. I'll miss some on, waste the rest of it. But I want to show you something. I cleaned this cup out. And here's the paint that was on the bottom of it. This is the candy. See how dark that looks? When you flip it over, that's all flake. That's why when you're spraying flake, it is very important to keep your paint gun shooken up so it all don't settle on the bottom and then your metallics will be uneven. Oh, that was pretty cool. And here's some clear coat. See how it kind of shrinks? That's why it's important you get your body work all good, or it's going to really stand out after your clear coat fully cures, because it kind of shrinks around it. Obviously it's not going to be as dramatic. This is kind of thick. But I want to show you guys that. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and mix up some candy, then see if this turns out alright. Hopefully it does. It's very hard to spray it. Oh, there we go. It don't look bad like it is. But we're gonna go ahead and spray it. Worst I'm gonna do is sand the whole panel down, I guess. I have the reducer and the color don't mess with the clear coat so it's not fully cured. We'll see what happens. Alright, so the idea here, I'm gonna focus on the spot, and then I'm gonna kinda turn my gun and let it mist onto the rest of the panel. I don't know how this is gonna turn out, but we'll try here. Alright guys, I did what I was going to do. I kind of focused on the 2 spots first, and I kind of misted the whole panel just so there was no lines. At least all I did. It's kind of hard to explain. But I cannot see any spots. All I see is a bunch of trash. So now the only thing I'm worried about is it matching the rest of the car, which, since it's mainly right here on the panel, I misted it everywhere else. It should be about the same color as each panel is touching. I guess the real test is going to be when I pull it out in the sun. So I'm going to let this dry up a little bit while I'm cleaning my gun out, and then I'm going to spray a couple coats of clear on it. Then we'll be good to go, hopefully. Alright guys, I think it's pretty well dry. It's got a kind of matte finish to it, except up there, that's where I missed it in. I don't know if you can make it out in the camera. There are still fish eyes happening. And I had them all filled in. I really don't know what's going on. But I'm over that, so let's spray some clear. Alright, so the first coat I kind of just messed it over again. Don't want to put it on too heavy the first go around, so let that sit for a few minutes and then we'll spray another coat on there. Now normally if you're doing the whole car, by the time you get around the whole car you can come back to the original panel, but since this gets sprayed so fast, can't quite do that. Alright guys, well, it's pretty well dry. It's not cured, but I went and took tape off and looks pretty good. Some orange peel. Evidently I'm doing something wrong. I don't know why it's not laying down very smooth. Before I give you guys a look at it in the garage, then I'll go and pull it outside. And it's not sunny out, but see what it looks like out there. If you guys have any advice or tips on what I'm doing wrong, don't be afraid to comment. Again, I have no idea what I'm doing. I just watched some videos on YouTube and kind of went with it. And my buddy, I helped him do my truck, so he's taught me a lot. Alright, well I'll go and pull it out. Okay, I guess my battery's dead, so it's not getting pulled out right now. I'll have to charge the battery up and we'll see what it looks like outside. But I guess I can grab my flashlight and shine on it. Might give us an idea. I'm gonna be able to see it match the door or the trunk because they're wet sanded, but you remember I didn't spray all the way to the edge. We'll say it looks okay. I don't see any light spots through here, so maybe they covered up